Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and fix it in the half after rotating it. Now join the hairs from the sides and the plaited hairs to make the plaits. Now fix it on the other side as well. Now at the end join the hairs together. Next take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then again take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and fix them into each other. Now repeat the process again and again for a few more times. Tie two sections of the hairs from the sides and fix them into each other. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on each side. Fold it upward and it's ready. Next tie the hairs on the top, divide it from the between and rotate it. Now fix the hairs from the sides like this and fix it in the half like this. Now make the plaits on the hairs like this, tie the hairs together and make the plaits. Now after that fix the hairs together on the back and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it. Now again take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides, join it on the back and keep rotating it. Tie the ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts and then rotate it like this. Now fold it like this and fix it on the top and it's ready. Next take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then fix this ribbon on the hairs. Now make the plaits on the hairs like this and fix it. Tie the hairs carefully as shown in the video. Fix it till the end and tie it in the same manner as we are tying it. Fix the hairs till the end and it's ready. Next tie the ponytail, divide the hairs into small sections and tie them by rolling it around the rest of the hairs like this. Fix the hairs in the shape of a knot like this. Tie them carefully till the end and fix all the hairs in the same manner till the end by rolling it around the hairs into each other and it's ready. Next tie the hairs from the top, tie it and then rotate it. Now divide it into three parts and make the plaits by joining them together. Now take it till the end and fix it by folding it again. Now fix the hairs in the between of it and then pull it. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next we'll be making a ponytail. Divide the hairs into two parts and then take the upper part and make the plaits on it. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Now tie rest of the hairs from the between, fold it above the plaited hairs and then roll rest of the hairs and fix it aside by rolling it like this. Next, make the ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts, tie the upper hairs and then rotate it. After rotating it, we will fix the hairs into each other and make a bow. Now tie rest of the hairs on the top and make the plaits and then fold it. And then take another section of the hairs and make the plaits on it as well. And your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now fold it upward like this and fix it. Make the hairs like this, fold it again and then fix it on the top and make a heart-like shape. Repeat these steps for a few more times and your hairstyle is ready. For that you have to make a ponytail, divide the hairs from the half and then rotate it. After rotating it, fold it upward like this and roll it. Now spread the hairs on the sides, tie it downside like this, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Fix it over the bun and then tie rest of the hairs and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs like this into two parts and then make the plaits by joining all of them like this. So first divide the hairs into 2 or 4 parts like this and then fold them together like this to make the plaits. Fix them till the end and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits on it like this. Follow the same step for the other side and join the hairs together on the back. Tie them like this. Take the hairs from the sides and then rotate it. Again, fix the hairs in the same manner and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.